Learn Gujarati food words fast. Breakfast to tea in English in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the Hungry lesson. Hey, you are here, which means your stomach and your brain are finally working together. Today you will learn Gujarati food and drink words without falling asleep into your cereal. Imagine a very dramatic day in which every meal introduces itself like a movie star. Breakfast enters first and shouts, "I am."
Nasto.
Exclamation mark quote. Then lunch arrives wearing a noon-colored cape.
Bapornu bhojan.
Dinner is more elegant and shows up at sunset saying, "Please respect my evening greatness, I am."
Ratri bhojan.
Quote. In between, a snack sneaks in like a crunchy little thief and also says,
Nasto.
because context matters. When you are thirsty, you ask for a drink.
Pinu.
The heroes of the drink world are water,
Pani.
juice,
Ras.
coffee,
Coffee.
and tea.
Cha.
You are not just learning words. You are building a survival kit for cafes, homes, and very emotional kitchens. Meet the meals. Let's meet the 3 big meals first. Say them with me like you are introducing royalty at a food parade. Breakfast is
Nasto.
Picture a sunny table, tea, toast, and one proud plate saying, "Yes, I am the morning champion." Breakfast is ready.
Nasto taiyar છે.
Lunch is
Bapornu bhojan.
It arrives at noon like an office manager who says, "Let us all stop pretending we are not hungry." Lunch is ready.
Bapornu bhojan taiyar છે.
Dinner is
Ratri bhojan.
This one is warm, evening-like, and slightly dramatic. Dinner is ready.
Ratri bhojan taiyar છે.
Quick contrast. Morning means
Nasto.
noon means
Bapornu bhojan.
evening means
Ratri bhojan.
If you say dinner at breakfast time, people may forgive you, but your toast will judge you. The sneaky snack. Now for the little rebel between meals. This one is small, fast, and emotionally powerful. Snack can also be
Nasto.
in Gujarati. Yes, the same word can mean breakfast or snack depending on context. That is not confusing. That is exciting. Or at least we will call it exciting so nobody panics. Imagine a cookie wearing sunglasses and saying, "I am not lunch. I am."
Nasto.
Quote. If you are hungry in the afternoon, you might say you want a snack.
Nasto.
So remember, a full morning meal can be
Nasto.
and a quick bite can also be
Nasto.
Gujarati keeps you awake. Very efficient language. Drinks to the rescue. Meals are nice, but thirst is louder. Let's meet the drink team. A general drink is
Pinu.
If you want something to sip, this is your umbrella word. Water is
Pani.
simple, essential, heroic. When your throat feels like a desert, you want
Pani.
Juice is
Ras.
sweet, fruity, refreshing, and dangerous if you wear a white shirt. Coffee is
Coffee.
conveniently close to English, which is great news for sleepy learners. Tea is
Cha.
warm, friendly, and probably already waiting for you somewhere. So your drink ladder is this: drink,
Pinu.
water,
Pani.
juice,
Ras.
coffee,
Coffee.
tea.
Cha.
Hydration achieved. Vocabulary achieved. Dignity mostly achieved. A very hungry dialogue. Now listen to a mini story. You are the hero, and your main skill is wanting food at the correct time. You wake up and say, "I want."
Nasto.
Quote. Someone answers, "Great."
Nasto taiyar છે.
Quote. At noon, your stomach makes a dramatic speech. You say, "Now I need."
Bapornu bhojan.
Quote. A kind voice says, "Yes."
Bapornu bhojan taiyar છે.
Quote. Later, you get a little hungry again. Not full meal hungry, just snack hungry. So you whisper, like a secret agent.
Nasto.
Quote. Then you get thirsty. You ask for a drink.
Pinu.
Maybe you choose
Pani.
maybe,
Ras.
maybe,
Coffee.
If life is serious, maybe.
ચા.
If life is civilized. At night, the grand finale arrives.
રાત્રિ ભોજન.
You sit down, smile, and feel like a language genius with a plate. Quick recall challenge. Your turn. I say the English word, and you try the Gujarati before I give it to you. No pressure. Only educational suspense. Breakfast.
નાસ્તો.
Lunch.
બપોરનું ભોજન.
Dinner.
રાત્રિ ભોજન.
Snack.
નાસ્તો.
Drink.
પીણું.
Water.
પાણી.
Juice.
રસ.
Coffee.
કોફી.
Tea.
ચા.
Memory tricks for hungry brains. Let's make these words stick. Your brain likes weird images, so we are giving it weird images. See.
નાસ્તો.
On your breakfast table at sunrise. See.
બપોરનું ભોજન.
Under a giant clock striking 12. See.
રાત્રિ ભોજન.
Glowing under the moon. Hide a crunchy.
નાસ્તો.
In your bag for the afternoon. Put a bottle labeled.
પીણું.
On a table. Fill one glass with.
પાણી.
Another with.
રસ.
One steaming cup with.
કોફી.
And one calming cup with.
ચા.
If your memory palace now looks like a hungry cafe, perfect. That was the plan. Goodbye and go practice. Nice work. You just fed your vocabulary and probably made yourself hungry too. Thank you for learning with me. Today you practiced breakfast.
નાસ્તો.
Lunch.
બપોરનું ભોજન.
Dinner.
રાત્રિ ભોજન.
Snack.
નાસ્તો.
Drink.
પીણું.
Water.
પાણી.
Juice.
રસ.
Coffee.
કોફી.
And tea.
ચા.
Repeat them out loud, use them during meals, and practice a little every day. You are doing great, and your Gujarati is growing one delicious word at a time.